children. Today, let's start with chapter number 9, that is means of transport. So, let's study about the different means of transport. So, the means that carry people and goods from one place to another is called means of transport. Transport plays an important role in our lives. In fact, we cannot imagine our life without an efficient transport system. So, there are various means of transport. We cannot use the same means of transport to go every day. If you want to go to nearby place, that we use cycle, rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter. And if you want to go to far off places, what we use car, bus, train. If we have to go far away to another country, it's a short period of time, we use an aeroplane. So we use different means of transport. Different means of transport are land transport, water transport and air transport. First of all, land transport. Land transport कौन सा transport होता है? Vehicle that move on land. It can be further divided into two ways, roadways and rails. Roadways, there are two ways of road. Temporary road, the car driven by animal like ox, bullock, buffalo, mule and bicycles are the means of transport. These roads are made from dirt and mud, bicycle and bullock carts. What are these? These are the common type of vehicle in the villages. ये common type of vehicle है. Then we have permanent roads. The bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, auto rickshaw, car, jeep, bus, truck, they are the means of transport on permanent. They are very common in towns and cities. बहुत ज़्यादा common होता है towns and cities में. Bharat is known to have a largest network of roads. CNG, that is compressed natural gas, it is comparatively less harmful for the environment than others. So in National Capital Territory of Delhi, जो buses हैं, taxis हैं, auto rickshaws हैं, ये किस पे run करते हैं? CNG. Then we have railways. Train runs on rails, so they are called railways. They connect most parts of the country. In metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, there are local trains which move within the city. Some trains carry passengers. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Passenger train. The train that carries various goods are called goods train. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Goods train. Right? Now, metro train, they are very popular means of transport in major cities like Kolkata and Delhi. Vande Bharat Express सबसे fastest train है भारत की. Now, water transport, some means of transport that run on water only. Like ships, steamer, boats, they are the means of water transport. Boat or a ship carries men and goods across the river, lake, sea or ocean. They cannot carry people across the river or lake. A ship is very large carrier that carries people or goods by the sea. So, a cruise is a ship with all facilities like hotel, swimming, club ships. They are used to transport huge quantity of grains and oil to other countries. So, a ship needs good port of loading and loading goods. Water transport are the cheapest means of transport. जो water transport है वो सबसे cheapest mode होता है. Like ship, motorboat, boat with oars. This is yacht, sailboat and sail. Okay, these are the different water transport. Air transports, fastest means of transport. चीप मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं पर फास्टेस्ट होते हैं. A helicopter can carry 4 to 6 people at one time. Aeroplane can carry about 2 to 700 people at a time. These means of transport are used जब आपको कहाँ जाना है? far off places पे लग. Right? ये expensive भी है और एक सबसे बड़ा network of transport. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you are understood about all the different means of transport. That's all for today. Thank you.